We have been using TubShroom for years. These are stainless steel. Love them, but we were just sent this version to review. So we're going to compare the two versions. This is the clear chrome TubShroom bathroom strainer and hair catcher. All right, this one is completely rubber down here, this whole bottom. And then the top feels like plastic. It's a chrome look, so it'll match your chrome accessories, but it is definitely not metal, it's plastic, so no worries about rusting or anything like that. Although in the years of using these, we've never had rusting issues. The bottom part is rubber. We'll do one at a time how they look when they're inserted. So this is the metal stainless steel with the chrome top. I love that it covers so you don't see the hair and gunk in there, but it keeps everything from going down the drain. There is the matte black, is just completely invisible. Like, oh, looks so nice with the matte black. And then here we go. Ooh, this one is really interesting because it doesn't have these little arms, which I always worry if they're going to eventually scratch this. But this doesn't have that. Wow. And then it just goes and sits right there. That's really cool. So everything is going to go in and get trapped on here. It doesn't go down below here. There are little holes, but nothing really gets down there. Somehow it all just gets trapped in here and doesn't go down the drain. These things are amazing. Just a closer look. Like, this does pop off to fully clean it if you want to. This is plastic, so I would remove this if putting it in the dishwasher. And then you just twist to pop it back on. Boom. There we go. Really, really cool. Boom, 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 boom. So here is a full side by side of the two versions. This one is, I don't even know it's rubber or silicone. I can't really tell. But the original one is a stainless steel. The whole thing except for this rubber gasket on the bottom. And then over here, this is fully rubber except for the plastic top, but it looks like a stainless steel chrome. They both have that. And then this one has the little arms that come down and will touch your bathtub or your drain rim. But honestly, we've never had scratching, but it's always like a slight concern of mine, but we've never had scratching. But this one sits like a good ½ inch or so above. And then they both cover your nasty hair that it's collecting. You don't have to see that below. So can't go wrong with either. They're just a very, very different design. You'll see this one has like a little bit of a lip that comes up. This one, not so much. It's just flat. But yeah, they are both great. Just depends on the look and the feel that you prefer, I think.